And this recipe is for just one person. If you want to make it for more, just double the recipe. Let's start with the mushroom. You can use any mushroom you want, just cut it like this. And like it can be shiitake, shimeji, Paris mushroom, even enoki. You can use it here too. I'm just going to set aside half an onion. Chop it finely. There. Here's a piece of ginger, just a little bit. Just cut it like this. Into small pieces. Now, to prepare the egg, it would be 2 eggs. Now, mix well. Mix 1 tablespoon of milk, mix again. If you have a problem with lactose, you can leave out the milk. It's just to give the egg some texture. Salt to taste. I'll just add a pinch. And that's it. Here I'll use 8 pieces of shrimp of this size. You can use small ones too. If you don't want shrimp, you can substitute it with chicken or any other protein. A teaspoon of miso. It can be shiro miso as well. A tablespoon of sake. If you don't have sake, you can use cachaça. 2 tablespoons of water and a level tablespoon of sugar. Now just mix well until the miso dissolves. If there are a few lumps left, that's okay. A teaspoon of butter. This one is salted, but you can use unsalted as well. Let the onion saute a little just until it's golden. Then add the ginger. Right after that, add the shrimp. And it's really quick now. The shrimp got a little golden. Add the mushroom. Here the mushroom also cooks very quickly. It's already very tender. Now, add the cooked rice, the amount for 1 person. Mix well. We mix well, then just add all of our sauce. Mix. Everything well mixed. Let's leave it here for a minute and then turn it off. Now, I'll make our omelet in a really easy way so you can make it at home with just a little bit of oil. Very low heat, add our egg, and now stir non-stop in all directions. Very low heat. And now let's shape it into a more or less round form. Let's keep the middle a bit raw. And it's ready. Now just put the omelet on top. A little bit of ketchup. Parsley. And it's ready. A simple, homemade, and tasty homaraso, just like from a restaurant.